Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have iPhone 13 with a broken screen. Before we're gonna start, so we're gonna discuss something, which is if you are facing any issues with your screen, whether it's cracked or unresponsiveness or color distortion, this video is for you because I will walk you through everything you need to know from diagnosing the problem to replacing the screen step by step. Let's get started with diagnosis and preparation of your tool. Before we dive into the replacement, let's quickly talk about how to diagnose an LCD issue. Common sign includes a black screen, distorted colors, or touch unresponsiveness. Please always back up your iPhone into your iCloud or your computer because this process involves disassembling the device which can have any other issues as well. So please make sure always do the backup. And after old LCD separation, when you reach to this step, please make sure just put your old screen onto the heating pad, give a heat to your old screen, so it's gonna make the glue soft so that you can easily remove that face side reflex. Please make sure when you are going to fit a new LCD into the phone, never connect the battery first. First of all, you have to connect all the display connectors and the face ID flex connectors, and after that you have to connect the battery. Once you connect the battery, give a power to the phone will turn on, and then after that just check the touch and everything. Issues during the replacement process like unresponsive touch or screen flickering, it might be worth checking your connections again or seeking professional help. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY tech repair tips. Also drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see a detailed repair of other iPhone models. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.